Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best laundry ball is probably one of the most innovative solutions to hit the laundry room in years, promising to reduce detergent use, soften fabrics, and even help remove stains, all while being eco-friendly and reusable, making it a compelling alternative to traditional laundry methods that can be harsh on both your clothes and the environment. So let's dive in and see if this little sphere can truly revolutionize your wash day and deliver on its impressive claims. Number 5. Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Introducing Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, your natural solution for softer clothes. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a gentler way to care for your fabrics. These premium wool dryer balls are designed to be used again and again. Replace disposable dryer sheets and liquid softeners with this sustainable alternative that lasts for over 1,000 loads. Experience significantly reduced drying times. As they tumble, they separate your laundry, allowing hot air to circulate more efficiently, leading to fewer wrinkles and fluffier clothes. By shortening your drying cycles, these balls help you save on energy costs. Reduce your appliance usage and lower your electricity bills with every load. Crafted from 100% premium New Zealand wool, these dryer balls are dense and durable. They are a natural, long-lasting choice for a better laundry experience. Enjoy laundry that comes out softer, fluffier, and with noticeably less static cling. These wool dryer balls are a simple yet effective way to improve your laundry results. What we like. This option is made from superior quality wool, ensuring a natural and long-lasting product. It's a fantastic reusable alternative to chemical softeners. If you're looking for a way to speed up your laundry cycles and save on energy costs, this is the choice for you. What people say. Clothes saved too. Soft, effective, durable. The size is perfect and are rigid due to the thickness, so they do no crush between clothes, blankets, or towels, etc. They made of very good quality wool fibers. They added a little noise to the drying process, but nowhere near what the dryer balls I'd been using that were doing not a thing in exchange for the racket they made. I expect they will last for many years and cause each load of laundry dried with them to be soft and free of static. Number 4. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Tired of chemical-laden fabric softeners? Discover a natural way to soften your clothes. Our wool dryer balls offer an eco-friendly alternative. Experience the difference with our award-winning design. These premium XL dryer balls are crafted for superior performance in every load. Say goodbye to wasteful dryer sheets. These wool balls effectively replace them, reducing static and wrinkles naturally. Keep your laundry soft and fresh without harsh chemicals. They are gentle on all fabrics, making them perfect for the whole family. Each pack contains 6 reusable wool balls. Save money and help the environment by choosing a sustainable laundry solution. Choose Smart Sheep for a smarter, greener laundry day. Enjoy softer clothes and a healthier home with our natural wool dryer balls. What we like. Recognized for its quality, this pack features extra-large premium wool balls. They are designed to effectively replace traditional dryer sheets. If you prioritize award-winning performance and a natural fabric softening solution, this is an excellent selection. What people say. They have significantly reduced the drying time of most of my clothes and items, while also effectively reducing static, comparable to the effect of a dryer sheet. The initial price to buy these is not an excuse not to buy them, as dryer balls are only slightly more expensive than dryer sheets, ranging from $5 to $10. You'll save money in just a few months. The company is ethical in its production practices, and the individuals who make them are paid a livable wage, which is fantastic. But overall, the durability is excellent so far, with no signs of shedding. Number 3. SnugPad XL Wool Dryer Balls. Introducing SnugPad XL Wool Dryer Balls, your natural solution for laundry day. These premium dryer balls are designed to make your clothes softer and reduce wrinkles. Crafted from 100% organic wool sourced from New Zealand, they offer a chemical-free alternative to traditional fabric softeners. Enjoy a gentle touch on your fabrics and peace of mind for your family. Say goodbye to annoying wrinkles and static cling. These dryer balls work efficiently to smooth out your laundry, leaving it looking and feeling great. Not only do they soften fabrics, but they also help reduce drying time, saving you energy and valuable time. Get your laundry done faster and more efficiently. Designed to last for over 1,000 loads, these dryer balls are a sustainable choice for your household. They are also baby safe, making them perfect for the whole family's sensitive skin. Make the switch to an eco-friendly laundry routine. These natural wool dryer balls are a simple yet effective way to improve your laundry results while being kind to the environment. What we like. Crafted from 100% organic premium wool, these balls are gentle enough for baby clothes. They are chemical-free and help reduce wrinkles in your laundry. If you have sensitive skin, young children, or are seeking a gentle, natural way to soften fabrics and reduce wrinkles, this is the ideal choice. What people say. These dryer balls work really well and help cut down on drying time. I switched to these because dryer sheets were leaving oily stains on my clothes, and I haven't had that issue at all since making the switch. They're easy to use, well made, and I like that they're a natural option with no added scent. The clothes and other laundry dries much faster, replaces liquid fabric softener, so saves money, chemicals, and storage space. Replace dryer sheets, so saves money, chemicals, and storage space. Reduces static, reduces chemical exposure to the skin of my whole family, reduces trash, and after I changed the heat setting to low, the clothes have significantly less wrinkles, and it still takes less time to dry than before switching to the balls. I don't think they live up to every claim, especially that they will prevent static cling. They really don't do much for that. But I do like that these seem to dry things a bit faster, and definitely help with a bulky load like towels, bedding, or heavy clothing like jeans and hoodies. These also hold up great. In the years I've had them, they haven't discolored or gotten smaller or anything. They still work as good as when they were new. They don't have a scent, so that's a plus for you if you don't like the dryer sheet smell. Number 2. Wool Dryer Balls XL 6-Pack. Introducing our XL 6-pack of wool dryer balls. They are made from 100% pure New Zealand wool, offering a natural way to soften your fabrics. These reusable dryer balls help reduce wrinkles and significantly cut down on drying time. Save energy and get your laundry done faster. Say goodbye to chemical-laden dryer sheets. Our wool balls provide a gentle, natural alternative for softer clothes. Want a fresh scent? Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to the balls before drying. Enjoy naturally fragranced laundry. Make a sustainable choice for your laundry routine. These dryer balls are reusable, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. Experience a simpler, more effective way to do laundry. These dryer balls are the perfect addition to any household. What we like. Made from pure New Zealand wool, these balls are perfect for adding essential oils for a natural fragrance. They serve as an eco-friendly alternative to disposable dryer sheets. If you enjoy infusing your laundry with natural scents and are committed to sustainable choices, this product is highly recommended. What people say. They dried faster than normal. I also used them with a couple of blankets, and they dried soft. No issues, no smell. I did not notice any static. No more dryer sheets. No static and helps with wrinkle removal. They are not noisy at all in the dryer. They last about 2 years. They work at helping to dry things more quickly. They do work to keep the laundry separated and therefore the laundry dries faster. Number 1. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 3-pack. Tired of chemical fabric softeners? Discover a natural way to soften your laundry. These wool dryer balls are the perfect solution. Experience the award-winning performance of these premium wool dryer balls. They are designed to provide the best results for your clothes. Say goodbye to wasteful dryer sheets. These reusable wool balls effectively replace them, saving you money and reducing waste. Our extra-large wool dryer balls are designed for maximum efficiency. They help reduce drying time and leave your laundry exceptionally soft. These natural wool balls are gentle on all types of fabrics. Enjoy softer, static-free laundry without any harsh chemicals. Make your laundry routine more eco-friendly. By choosing these wool dryer balls, you're opting for a sustainable and natural alternative. What we like. This pack offers award-winning quality in a convenient 3-ball size. These extra-large premium wool balls are designed to replace dryer sheets effectively. If you're looking for a high-quality, natural fabric softener solution and prefer a smaller quantity to start or for smaller households, this is a great option. What people say. The dryer balls are exactly as depicted. They are incredibly useful for shortening drying time significantly. They are soft and have a solid weight to do their job. Work beautifully to soften clothes, usually with a shorter dry time. You can even still have your favorite scent if you add a few drops of a favorite essential oil to a couple of the wool balls. These work great, eliminate static in clothing without having to use dryer sheets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.